Hello folks, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we'll go ahead and create our own developer's account. It's a free edition developer's account. It doesn't read any credit card information. It's not a trial version, so it's not going to expire. This is only for your learning purpose. So the first place you have to go is this developer.offsalesforce.com. Once you go there, you will see a button on the right hand side saying sign up. Click on the sign up button. It'll ask you for your details like first name, last name. Please provide these details and also a valid email address because this email address will have a password link. And the username that you're going to provide, it has to be in email format, which means it has to have @ and dot operators. It doesn't have to be a valid email, but it has to be in the form of an email address. Once you're done providing the details, you will get an email with the password. You will get an email with the password link, and it'll look like this. Once you click on this link, you will be able to set up your password. Once you're done set up the password, please go ahead and log into the Salesforce account with the username and the password. So you can go ahead and log into this account, and the first page you're going to see is something like this. It's a blue screen. It has this image on the top left corner, and a bunch of applications like call center marketing. There are a bunch of tabs here. We'll talk about all of these in our upcoming video tutorials. Till then, stay tuned and thank you.